There is an archipelago not far from the coast of Sicily, created by a volcanic activity that is so impressed in the shape of its landscapes that left me completely speechless. It's the Eolian Islands. Join me in a 5-day hiking trip between active volcanoes, cliffside villages, and stunning crater hikes. Welcome to a new adventure.
Volcano Island, Volcano Island.
First day, first island. Just got with the boat to the harbor. Now we're going to explore a little bit of the wilderness here. So the island is going all around the main volcano with its own crater, which we will visit tomorrow. And today's goal is to reach the summit of that mountain, Monte, forgot?
Saraceno.
Monte Saraceno. And we're gonna spend the night somewhere on top. And we are on the top. It is getting dark, the sky is still very cloudy, and we are tired. We started our travel this morning at 3 a.m. so we need some sleep. So, good night.
The next morning, the sky finally cleared up, so we hiked till the edge of the crater.
Now, down to the harbor.
Salina, scavo di Santa Marina Salina.
So the goal for today is to reach the highest spot on this island, Monte Fossa delle Felci, 950 meters. Steps, steps, and more steps. Basically, we're going straight up the mountain. Basta! This might be the end. Wow. Che vista, cazzo. Sunset time.
That morning, hiking down to the town gave me such an intense feeling. When you're on top, you're high, alone, surrounded by the sounds of nature. All you can see below is just a bunch of silent houses. And as you get closer, you hear its noises. And its tastes. The town is alive.
Today we decided to have a little break from camping, so we got this tiny room with a fantastic view of the sea. We got also a little scooter, so we're gonna be exploring the surroundings and enjoy some slow life here in Salina Island. It's such a magical place.
So we hopped on the scooter and drove the incredibly scenic road to Pollara. This little village is located at the bottom of an ancient crater, now partially collapsed. On one side, a green amphitheater. On the other, vertical cliffs lit up by sunset light. The next morning, the sea was covered in fog. La Lupa, that's how locals call it. The low visibility used to scare fishermen and sailors. But that morning, my eyes were only filled with immense beauty. It was time for us to leave Salina and head to the next and last island of the trip. Stromboli. Stromboli is a pretty interesting place. The main town is a tiny colorful village sitting on a very dark soil. Rocks are black. Sand is black. Water is... Just kidding. Water is blue. There are no cars on the island, but probably the highest concentration of apicars in the world. And all this apparent beauty is sitting at the bottom of one of the most active volcanoes in the world. And it's no joke.
Da sinistra ci sono il cratere di nord-est 1 e 2, che hanno messo solamente dei numeri. Invece quello centrale è nord 3, però non è un vero e proprio cratere. Quello si è formato dopo le ultime colate. Invece a destra facciamo un'altra terrazza craterica, cioè sud-est 1 e sud-est 2.
Quindi in totale sono
5 crateri.
5 crateri.
Sì. Però ci sono anche delle altre fessure, in totale sono 9. Le eruzioni stromboliane si chiamano così perché praticamente c'è questo magma che sale, si solidifica la lava in superficie, e si accumula il gas sotto e poi esplode improvvisamente. Si crea la bolla.
Ho capito.
Questa è l'attività stromboliana.
But if you wanna see the real magic, you have to wait. Wait until it gets dark. That's when the volcano reveals its deepest nature. This restless rumble has been going on for thousands of years. Iddu, Islanders call it. A presence, a breath, that marks the time and the lives of people. Sometimes stronger, sometimes weaker. Iddu is always there, reminding us where we came from and where we're destined to go. And as the sun makes its way through the smoke, the ashes, the steep dark slopes leading to the sea, a new day in Stromboli is about to begin. And it was time for us to leave. So that's the end of this short but intense trip to Eolian Islands. 5 days are definitely not enough to explore such a special place, there's so much more to discover and I will certainly be back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's quite a different one from what I'm used to post, but I'm pretty happy for how this turned out. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, make sure you are subscribed to the channel in case you haven't already, and I will see you in the next adventure, this time from 4,500 meters.